This is how we're going to transform this old shower into something beautiful. What we're going to do is we're going to put a new shower base in, and then we're going to put wet wool just over the tiles. So there's going to be no damage, new shower, and it will look stunning. And it'll just refurb the bathroom. Nice freestanding bath, old style. Looks very nice. So the first thing we need to do, we need to take it out really gentle. Because we don't want to damage all, because we're not replacing anything. So on the side of it, there'll be some screws. Unscrew that, and then with this, I think this is an old Kudos screen. I ain't seen them for many moons. It just clips off that runner. By the looks of it, it should just fall out. And I feel like a bit of a job in town. So now we've took it all. And as you can see, it's clearly been leaking. Is it plastic?
No.
Like a resin?
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to have to maybe cut that section of floor out. We'll put a screwdriver in it and see what it's like. And then we'll go from here. Don't really like the look of that, but what can we do? This is why you should never ever put a shower tray in after you tile. This is the reason. Oh, it's not good, is it? It's not good, it's falling through.
I don't think that's how.
Oh, it's not good. This is not good.
Is that the floor?
Yeah.
This is what you find when you.
That is the floor.
So it's all rotten,
Yeah.
basically.
Good job you did it, isn't it?
Why would steal it?
So this is what happens. It is. This. See, the difference is this in a proper gushing leak. This is a really slow leak, which has been leaking over time. Then it's drying in, soaking, drying, soaking, drying, soaking. This is what you end up with. This is what you end up with. And that is exactly what happened. See what I mean? Like so. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut a 1200 piece out. This section, going to cut it out circular, rip that up, replace it, bish bash bosh, job done. What we're doing is using my circular, we've set it to the depth. This, we're going to cut this square out. It's a nice equal square of 1100, the board's 1200, 260 1200, and then 2400, so we've got a little bit of play. Straight line. And then we're going straight across here. Lee. The 9mm board with. See, so all we've done is taken a bit extra out. See, you can see where it stopped rotting. So we've taken it out, take it all out, treat that joist with a bit of woodworm, and new floor down, bish bash bosh, job done. That's Tommy Lee. He's pretending to do something. I've took camera, you know what I mean, because you can't hold camera. Can you, Lee?
No.
No.
I'm busy working.
I said to him, you're supposed to be filming, Lee.
I'm busy working, not filming.
No, you're not working. You stood there doing nothing. Nothing. So the section what we've cut out, got it out nice and clean. We're lucky that has started going there. But what we'll do is cut the back bit out. A little bit of timber, a little bit of treatment. Take that out completely. Take this out completely. And then we'll go from there. So it is very, very lucky. That needs to come out completely. Because that, I am afraid, is gone. That is gone. That is gone. That's more than gone. That's brown red, fibre head. But we can just put some new struts in there. New strut against that wall. We're lucky that back joist ain't rotten. Very lucky. Oh, yeah. That must be a stud wall, that. Right, let's get into it. That must be a stud wall. Can you see how the plastic pipe going there? So I'm presuming it's a stud wall if they've put plastic into the wall for that shower. So what we'll do is most probably knock that square out there. We don't want to damage all these walls too bad because we're going to use these walls to stick the boards on. So we will have to play it from here and get started. So now we've exposed it and cleaned it out. We're going to clean with some woodworm. And then we need to let it dry, and then we're going to brace it back up with some 2x4, and it'll be like a job in town. It'll be beautiful. We're just cleaning all the old rubble out because whoever did it before they didn't bother doing it. That's why if you look at the previous video, how dirty it was, and now it is spotless. Just what we want. So as you've seen, I've cut all the bad bits out now. It's all solid wood. Yeah. So I've cut it all out, bad bits, cut them all out. Now we're going to woodworm it. Put some treatment on it, leave it overnight, let it dry. I put an hole in the wall there to check the wall to see if it's still okay. There's nothing wrong with the wall because the water hasn't got through the wall. That's old normal plasterboard, bone dry. Not anything wrong with it. As you can see, same again, I've cut down there. See how bone dry that is? Look at that. You could tell, you could sell that to a druggie, you know what I mean, on a Friday night, and he won't know no different. It's beautiful. That's where this new shower's going to go. There, so I better cut the pipe work out. So when we slot the boards on it, it's going to fit beautiful. So we're going to paint this, paint that, let it dry, and then we're going to make a frame. Just a 2x4 frame here. Clean it all up, and then tomorrow we will start putting it in. But apart from that, it all looks beautiful. So as you can see, Tommy Lee's painted it to different colour. So he'll do it again. Make sure everything's dead water's on it, just in case. And then we're good to go.